right, hello everybody. This is just a quick video showing you how to use the computer simulation for lesson, it's like 5-6 for the ADDIE unit. All right, so it says, first of all, you need to go to this particular website. You can click on it. I have a link somewhere on Canvas, or you can copy and paste it in. I've already got it open on another tab, so I'm going to go ahead and show it. And it says, set all of these sliders to 1. When you first open it, all of the sliders are set to 1. So I can increase or decrease the number of purple bacteria. So I'm going to keep them all at 1 like it indicates. Then it says to set up reset. There, I seem to be missing. I set it to 0. Try that again. There we go. Let's set up reset. There, I have 4 bacteria. And then the instructions, I'll show you here really quickly. The instructions say uncheck reproduce. So I'm going to go ahead and hit uncheck reproduce. Where am I going here? Wrong tab. There we go. Uncheck reproduce. And I'm going to hit go pause. And now I'm going to move them. I'm going to distribute them evenly. That's what the instructions say. So watch me distribute them evenly. That's pretty even. What do you think? How'd I do? They move a little bit when you first set them out there. That's not perfect, but pretty even. Let me just show you the instructions. It says, so use your mouse cursor to drag and drop the bacteria to equally space them out. And then it says click the reproduce button. So I'm going to go ahead and click the reproduce button. And now they're going to start reproducing. And I have the option of speeding this process up. So here they're going through binary fission. You can see the graph that's formulating over here as they fill up the space in this Petri dish, pretend Petri dish, square Petri dish. I can speed it up if I want to, if I'm impatient. So I can make it go a little bit faster. So there it is going faster. And I'm going to wait until the entire square is full. And then I'm going to hit pause. So I'm waiting until the whole square is full. Got lots of brown, green, purple, and red. They're still reproducing, and I am going to pause once they're all done. Are they all filled in? I could have made it go even faster. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause. So then the next thing it says is make a graph. So sketch the shape of the graph for each of the various forms of bacteria. So go ahead and take a look. This is the graph that you want to sketch. So just that shape, it's pretty flat at first, and then it goes up, and then it levels off at the top. They split a little bit because they're not exactly the same number of bacteria, but pretty close to the same number of bacteria in each slot. So you need to sketch that graph right here on your paper. And then it says record the size of the population, and we're going to put that right here. So I'll read them to you while you fill in your paper. So the number of purple was 117. So fill that in on the data table. The number of green was 89. The number of brown was 93. And the number of red was 100. So now let's go back to your paper and see what we need to do. So now we need to calculate the percent of each of those bacteria. So the total number is usually that can fit on one of these squares is usually 399. And I'm just going to double check to make sure that that added up. So, yep, 399 bacteria is our total. So down here at the bottom, you're going to write 399. I'm going to pause for just a second. I'm going to go grab a calculator. Okay, so to calculate percent, we need to take the number of bacteria in each category and then divide it by the total number of bacteria. So for the color purple, I told you to write down, 117. So I'm typing into my calculator 117 divided by 399 equals, and can you read it? There you go, 29%. You're going to write 29%. So right here, you write 29%. All right, let's do the next one. I'll go faster this time. So for the green, it is 89 divided by 399. And that is 22%. I'm looking for something to write with. I don't have anything to write with, so hopefully I'll remember this. 29 and 22%. The next one is brown. Let's do 93 divided by 399. And that is 23%. And then the last one, red, was 100 divided by 399, and that is 25% right on. If you add those 4% up, it should add up to approximately 100%. We might be off by a little bit because I'm rounding every time, so we might be a little bit over 100 or a little bit under 100, but it should be pretty close to 100%. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this video here, and we'll be ready for the next one.